Good day, students. Welcome to our part 1 of Character Formation online discussion. Our subject is nationalism and patriotism. Our Module 1, entitled General Concept of Character, this will present the meaning of character formation on personality development. It will also tackle the contributing factors of character formation. We have 4 objectives. At the end of this module, you should be able to inculcate the general concept of character building, distinguish the general types of character, know the 6 pillars of good character, and the last, assert the different character traits that the student should imbibe. Let us define first what is character. According to Prasadnanda, character is the solid foundation on which a person's entire life is based. Character is the magic ingredient that sets you apart from the rest. Character, derived from the Greek word charisen, referring to an engraving instrument, mark, or reputation. It was applied to a distinctive mark of the personality and psychological notion that refers to all the habitual ways of feeling and reacting of a person that distinguish one individual from another. So, ang character, ito ay isang tatak or trademark ng ating pagkatao kung sino tayo. Ito yung kaibahan natin sa ibang tao. This is our distinct personality. Yung pagkakakilanlan mo, yung pagkakakilala sa iyo ng mga tao. Character, it is the trademark of being a person. According to Harbans, he noted that character is the index of the state of mind of a person. The social, emotional, and intellectual manifestation of a character are called personality. Character formation, as defined by Donald 2006, is the process by which the individual, through interaction of biologically transmitted predispositions with the environment, develops stable pattern of functioning, thinking, and feeling. It is known as character building. So, character building, ito yung ulmahan. Dito nabubuo ang katauhan sa pamamagitan ng ating pakikipagsalamuha sa pamilya at sa ibang tao, sa ating mga kaibigan at sa ating paligid. Dito namomold ang ating pag-iisip at damdamin o feelings natin. So, ibig sabihin, dito nadidevelop ang ating pagkatao. So, it means dito nagkakaroon ng discernment sa pamamagitan ng edukasyon. Dito tayo natututo about values and attitude. Aristotle noted that character develops over time as one acquires habit from parents and the environment, either through reward and punishment. We have contributing factors for character formation. So first, parental influence. Parental influence, ito yung mga ugali ng magulang na namamana ng mga anak. Dahil madaling maka-impluwensya ang magulang sa anak. Ito ang unang-unang nakakapag-impluwensya. Yung kanyang mga magulang, yung kanyang mga kapatid. Dahil dito siya, araw-araw. Ano yung culture ng pamilya? The emotional makeup of his parents? Ano yung itinuturo sa kanya ng mga magulang niya? Maganda ba silang impluwensya or masamang impluwensya? Adapt their parents' mannerism. And also habits. Kung ano yung mga ugali, yung bisyo, yung libangan ng mga magulang, minsan, nai-impluwensyahan yung mga anak. Home environment. Isa din sa napaka-importante. Kung maayos o magulo ang pamilya, ito ay nakaka-impluwensya din sa tao. Lalo na sa mga bata. Dahil may kasabihan tayo kung ano ang nakikita ng mga bata sa mata nila, yun ay tama. We have school environment. The contributory factors, yung mga teachers, yung mga classmates, and the last, the culture. One of the factors, anong culture and traditions mayroon tayo? According to Leticia Ramos Shahani, there are factors that influence Filipino character formation. Pinakauna na yung home environment, kung saan tayo nakatira, sa loob ng ating pamamahay. Social environment, anong uri ng kapaligiran mayroon tayo? Nakatira ba tayo sa magulong lugar? Culture and language, ano ba yung ating mga kultura at tradisyon? Yung ating history, our educational system, dito, ito yung nagkakaroon na tayo ng discernment sa pamamagitan ng edukasyon. Natututo tayo about values and attitude. Our religion, ano yung paniniwala natin sa relihiyon? Our economic environment, anong status natin sa buhay? Mayaman ba tayo? Mahirap tayo? O nasa katamtaman lang? Our political environment, the mass media, ano yung ating napapakinggan araw-araw sa media? The leadership and role model. So yung ating mga parents, minsan sila yung ating role model. Kaya kung ano ang ginagawa ng magulang, yun din minsan ang nakakagawi ang gawin ng mga anak. Kapag maraming bisyo si tatay, maraming bisyo si nanay, ganun din yung mga bata. Namamana nila, naiimpluwensyahan sila o anong ugali yung mga parents nila. So we have 5 factors that determine character or personality traits. First, openness. So bukas yung ating isipan sa kung ano-anong mga bagay-bagay sa ating kapaligiran. Appreciation for a variety of experiences. Conscientiousness. Planning ahead rather than being spontaneous, being careful. So sinasabi natin magplano, mag-isip bago magdesisyon. So hindi kailangan yung padalos-dalos ang pagdidesisyon sa mga bagay-bagay. Extraversion, palakaibigan, being sociable, energetic and talkative. So if you are talkative, dapat may sense ang sinasabi mo. Hindi yung kung ano-ano na lang ang sinasabi mo na wala namang kabuluhang bagay. Number 4, agreeableness, being kind, systematic, and happy to help. Madaling lapitan, approachable. The last, neuroticism, disinclined to worry or be vulnerable or temperamental. Example, pills of anxiety. Anxiety inclined to worrying, vulnerable, or for you as future PNP officer, you are subject to this kind of factors. To this factor, it is good that ngayon pa lang, pag-aralan na natin ang personality type. Para kapag nasa PNP ka na, you will become a police officer, alam mo yung mga dapat gawin. Mga problema na kakaharapin, papaano mo ikokontrol yung sarili mo, na hindi ka kaagad magdidesisyon ng padalos-dalos. Because as police officer, napaka-importante ang pagdidesisyon. Kailangan tama, makatarungan yung desisyon na gagawin mo. Dahil nakasalalay sa kamay mo ang buhay ng mga tao mo at ng mga taong nasasakupan mo. So that ends our part 1 online discussion on character formation 1, nationalism and patriotism. Thank you for listening. God bless everyone.